Ready to go and suck the man's dick and make some money. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a drag transformation, which is something I've actually been wanting to do for a while, and now I've got the time to do it. So here we are. So I've done a drag transformation before, so if you're like OG subscribers and been around me for that long, congratulations. And I will be putting a link up here to it, so you can go and check that out and also see how far I've come in makeup and stuff like that. Oh yeah, so much fun, I know. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go and use a primer. I only really primer if I'm kind of like going out, but I feel like this is kind of like a fun video that I want to go all out for. So I'm going to be wasting my primer on my face for like 2 hours. So yeah, I'm going to go in with this Model's Own face primer. It's called Face Base. We love that. And yeah, so I'm just going to go and put it on my face now. Okay, good. Right, so I've done the primer, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with my Revolution Conceal Defiant Foundation, because as you guys know, I think I mentioned it in my previous video, but I'm trying to use it up because it's not the perfect match, but you know, it looks good on camera, so whatever. But yeah, so I'm going to try and hopefully get rid of this in quarantine. So yeah, I'm going to go put it on my face now. Right, so I've done the foundation. Yes. And I have to cut just at the end just so I can do my forehead because I have to put the mirror down, so because I need both hands to do my forehead. So I've done the same thing with the primer and the foundation. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. So I'm going to use, I think it's NYX. I think people call it NYX. I always call the brand NYX, but I'm pretty sure it's NYX. But anyway, whatever. I'm going to go in with a NYX matte black eyeliner. So yeah, I'm going to do that off camera and then I'll come back. Yes, fully winged to the gods, darlings. Right, so as you guys can see, I've done the eyeliner. I'm pretty happy with it. So what I'm going to do now, I've literally only just decided on exactly what colour scheme I want to wear, so we shall see how it turns out. But as always, but I want to go in with the black. Ooh, so to go around the cut crease first. So yeah, I'm just going to go and do that. See how it goes. Right, so I'm just going to go under the eye now with black. Right, so I'm not going to go fully all the way under the eye because I may use other colours, I'm not sure yet. Go in with this dark purple here, and I'm going to do that just over the first part of the eyelid. I was going to say obviously, but it's not always obvious, darlings. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to make a cut crease with this foundation. Especially when using black. Black's such a bold colour, you want to definitely kind of do a cut crease so that the other colour won't get lost in the blackness and blend into the black too much. So yeah, so I'm going to get a brush and do that. Right, as always on my left side it always goes a bit more messy because I'm right-handed, but whatever, we shall work with it. So yeah, I'm going to go in with that dark purple now. I'm going to find another brush. Yes, I'm going to go and do that up back. Right, so what I'm going to do is going to go in with a clean brush and just go around the edges to smooth it out a little, like so. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a purple glitter, I think. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in the black and I'm just going to go and fill in under the eye because I'm choosing to go all black. Yeah, it looks a lot nicer like that. So I'm going to quickly go back over with the eyeliner. I'll do it off camera. Right, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go with my highlighter, yes, Revolution highlighter palette. And I'm going to go in with the purple highlighter, which is basically just a... to be fair, because I'm kind of confused what to do, I might just go in with this palette instead. I'm just going to go in this palette. So I'm going to go in with the lightest purple shimmer up here. By the way guys, I have a feeling I think I forgot to kind of fully explain the eyeshadow. So I went in with the dark purple, and then I went in with this shimmer colour here for the eyelids going down there. And then for this one right here, I'm just going to plop it in the inner corner. So yeah. Whereas I think it looks quite cute. I don't know if I should go in with a kind of like different colour. I think I'm going to put some gold over it. Let's just see what happens. Right, so what I did, I'm actually liking now. I went in with a dark pink shade from my BH Mattes palette. And I went in with, so basically I went in with this colour here, I'll just show you. I'm a good YouTuber like that. So I went in with that one, and I went over that pink with that one. So yeah, and I feel like it kind of turned out, I like it now. So that's that. I'm going to quickly go in with the black again just to go all the way across the lower eye. God, this video is taking forever. Right, so that's done now. So what I'm going to do next is, so I'm going to go in my Ultimate Matte eyeshadow palette. Hello Nathan. And I'm going to go in with this really kind of darky orangey kind of colour. And that's one I use for a perfect blush. There we go, bold blush. Exactly what we're going for this look. Oh, yes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm literally just going to go in with a black lippy and then pop a bit of gloss over it. And voila, darling. Right, so I went in with the black waterliner in the end because the white one literally nothing came out. So don't go into Revolution for white waterliner because it will not work. I literally used it once and then now it just doesn't do anything, so I don't know. But yeah, so I'm now going to go in with the highlighter, Revolution one. Ooh. So I'm going to do, I think I'm going to go in with a blush. I'm filling a blush. Just going to do that now. Change my mind again. So I remember my original plan was going with an ombre. So I'm going to go and use a black lip liner and line the lips. Right, so that's the lips done. Fabulous, I know. Right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put on the wig. This is the wig that I reviewed, so you guys would have seen her before. Oh, so yeah, I'm going to go and do the fun part now. Yeah! Oh, I can't try not to ruin my makeup. Ah! Right guys, so I styled the wig a little bit. And well, I kind of got Mum to do it because I wanted it to be how she does her hair. Because I think it suits me better when the wig's up. See what I mean? You can kind of see my sideburns a little bit, but they kind of blend in with the wig because it's dark rooted anyway. So yeah, I'm not too mad about that. I could probably do something with it. Yeah, we shall see. We shall see. So yeah, that's it for now. I think this is going to be it for the video. So I'll put the wig on, styled her a little bit. So yeah, and also guys, don't come for me that my wig's not styled properly, whatever. Like, I'm a beginner, I'm just starting out. So yeah, that's literally that. But you know, come for me, whatever, I don't care. The main thing is I look great, and that's all that matters. Right, so I'm gonna go put my dress on now. Hey guys, this is the full look. Very pretty. Ready to go and suck the man's dick and make some money. So here we are. I'm feeling it. Luckily I'm the same size as my mum in dresses, so yeah, both size 12, so makes things far easier, darling. So yeah, I'm liking the wig like this. I'm kind of a bit over my shoulder, and I'm liking the feathers too. And I can't find the other side. Where's it gone? So yeah, bit of wiggle wiggle. Feather me, darling, tickle me. So yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna go make loads of TikToks now and slide into loads of men's DMs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe for more, and hit the bell notification to be notified when I put a new video. Yes, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Mwah.